All right, everybody, what is going on? CMB Global, Mr. Global here, guys. Ready for another live stream. It's Wednesday. We didn't get our big parabolic squeeze yesterday, guys. We were lined up. Listen, I know. A lot of people out there, guys, are chirping. A lot of people are chirping, guys. Did not mean to close that out. But with that being said, a lot of people are chirping. People are, guys. Yes. Oil, guys, if you guys don't know, you will know. CMB Global, Mr. Global, we are huge on oil. We've been buying oil. Anything under 18 has started out, then it's anything under 12 now on Indo, guys. I absolutely love this stock. I think it's going to go parabolic. Listen, hang in there. Be patient. Fed messed this up today. Not really messed up, but we knew they were going to talk about it. Joe Biden's trying to present a tax form saying that gas oiling companies don't have to pay taxes for 3 years, suspends taxes. That way they can lower gas prices, yada, yada, yada. I hope they don't pass it, guys. We're already shooting right back up after the Fed talked and said that the rate hikes won't affect or inflate the oil or food crisis or something like that, guys. I was watching it all this morning. Very great, interesting news with the Fed. Other than that, we got basically our dip out of the way. I believe this is the absolute last dip before our Wednesday parabolic squeeze back up. We need to get over 850, guys, which is, very, very, very doable right now. But let's get into the live screen, guys. It's about almost 11 o'clock. Started early on the halftime. But crude oil was all the way down to 102 and just started ripping, so we had to get into this live stream, guys. If you guys haven't followed, like, and subscribed, let's get into my live screen and do this. CMB Global, Mr. Global, guys. I'm still bullish. I'm still here. Bye. All right, you guys can see crude oil up at 104.27. And then we've got Indo, guys. Bad day today. Could have been a lot worse, though. Crude oil dumped today, guys. Absolutely dumped today. But now we just went right back up. So we should get a huge squeeze here on everything. Everything should go pretty. We might go even. We could even possibly go green if crude oil can get back up to 105. She tried 105 earlier. Couldn't get through. It was like 105, 104.70s. Take a look at red box. See what she's up to. She got squeeze mode on her. I'm looking for this one to rip heads, guys. Shorts, guys, the interest rate on the float of this one is absolutely insane. Here we go, crude oil. Come on, baby. Give us some spike up here. Give us a big spike up here. Let's go back over 110. Let's trap some shorts today. But other than that, guys, just giving you an update, letting you know what I think about today's market. Watching a lot of stocks today. Wow, Rev went off today. Coming back down now, but I mean, look at that. Absolute squeezer. But here we go. Oh, baby. Give us a little squeeze here. But I'll probably do a little short stream right now, guys, and then we'll do a long stream for halftime or something. Did you get that double bottom here on the week for... not quite yet, but when she double bottomed, she came up where? Right there. Consolidated a little bit, but I don't know if she's in a downtrend or if she's gonna fly. Come on, guys, let's do this. Let's get a squeeze. We're due. See if there's any good oil news. You guys see that oil slumps over 6% as Biden set to cut fuel costs for drivers. Oil prices tumbled on Wednesday on news of a plan by U.S. Joe Biden to cut fuel costs for drivers amid concerns over potential economic recession. After recent central bank rate hikes, guys, which we already know about, which also weighed on the equities, Brent crude futures were down 749 or 6.5%. Their biggest fall in percentage terms in 3 months, guys. Guys, biggest fall in percentage terms in 3 months, and we're still hanging in there. So let's get a round of applause. Today was absolutely a war out there, guys, and we brought the firepower and made it happen, guys. Congrats. Even though this one's shorted to the max, it doesn't matter. That just shows you how strong oil is, and the squeeze is going to be even more epic than ever. Oh, man. Don't get me. Oh, man. The more I talk about it, the more hyped I am. Oil prices often move in trending with style, yada, yada. Biden on Wednesday is expected to ask Congress to consider a 3-month suspension on 18.5% gallon federal tax on gasoline on calls on states to suspend their fuel taxes, a senior administrative official said. Ooh, this is good. Lawmakers on both major party sides have expressed resistance to suspending the federal tax. If successful, the tax cut would likely support prices by stimulating demand for gasoline. Yeah, they want to cool their energy rally. The White House asked the CEOs of 7 oil companies to meet this week to discuss ways to increase production and reduce fuel prices of around $5 a gallon as they make record profits. That's insane. All right, India, let's squeeze them. Let's see what our volume's at. Only 474. All right, guys, let's do this. Didn't mean to exit out of red box. Come on, baby. Keep doing that. Exiting out of them. I don't know why I'm doing that. Come on. 2 cents. 2 cents rally. Let's go, baby. Come on. Give us a squeeze here. Revlon. I wonder what she's gonna do today. Keep squeezing. It's up 290% in a week. Or just come down for form like cup and handle, or does she just keep going? Sheesh, Revlon. Alright, guys, CME Global, Mr. Global. Wow, 104.75. Look at that big jump from 104.25 to 104.75 on crude oil, guys. Let's break 105, get this train moving. All these oil companies are waiting for us to break 105. Once we break 105, guys, we are absolutely going to squeeze and go crazy. Let's break 105, guys. Let's break 105. Revlon doesn't care about anything. She just is a friggin' tank. Just absolute monster. I could see Seed being a multi-day run or multi-week runner too, guys. This could be the dip today. But Revlon just, looking great. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm back. We're ready. We dropped down to 103 for some reason on crude oil. And we dropped down actually to 723, but let's get a squeeze here. Red box trying to come back up. Let's take a look at Revlon. Just fucking riding still. Xella went off too, guys. We need to put her on the chart. This guy told us about that one. Shout out to this guy. Yesterday, we would have been crazy. She was just at scary levels, and you know what? Being a wolf pays off. There goes Revlon. Trying to get back up. Let's see if she can do it before lunch. Revlon has no chart to try and dictate. Like, she just is on her own. 104.53, let's go. Crude oil, trying to get back over 105. That's going to get us started, guys. That's going to get us pushing. We got a little bit of time till lunch. But, alright guys, CME Global, Mr. Global. Waiting for the huge ripski. Dang, Revlon's going off. Redbox gonna get back up to 12s. Dang, Revlon. Sheesh. Holy Revlon. She gonna break VLAP. Let's see. Before lunch, I don't know. Alright guys, CME Global, Miss Global. I'm out of here for right now. I'll do another halftime live stream coming up real soon.